I'm Dia Mirza, and it's time for nature because we are nature. Everything that supports life comes from the natural world. Our clean air, food, water, everything that we need to be healthy and peaceful and happy is from nature. I can't imagine a world or life to exist without the beauty, the diversity, and the extraordinary ability that nature has in bringing balance and securing lives and providing health and peace and prosperity. This World Environment Day, tell the world why it's time for nature. Tag your friends, tag government leaders and companies, and invite them to be a part of the solution. Wake up, take notice. It's time to work together.